Welcome guys to my next video. I wanted to cover today some stocks that I'm looking at right now that are becoming more and more attractive to me as they go lower. So first off, let's get right into this. We got Apple. So Apple, I already own a good chunk of Apple. It's about 16% of my portfolio, but my average cost is 183, so that's a lot higher than it is right now. And I think Apple is at a very attractive spot right now for anyone wanting to get in. I'm actually looking to add more shares whenever I get some extra dollars to throw in there. But yeah, at 168, I mean, I would love to see low 160s. Maybe if it breaks this support here, we'll see that, and then maybe even high 150s. But there's been a lot of worry going on Wall Street about the lack of innovation from Apple, but I'm not worried at all. Apple's a solid company, and I don't think it's going anywhere anytime soon. So yeah, I think it's at a good spot right now to enter. So I will definitely be doing that whenever I get the chance. Next up is Snowflake. Now, Snowflake is on my watch list. Where is it? Right here. Now, Snowflake has taken a huge hit after the last earnings report because their CEO stepped down. And I think it was a huge overreaction. So it went all the way from $234 to what was it, like low, yeah, 151. So insane drop in share price there. And the growth is outstanding. So I think as long as the growth continues, and the new CEO, I think he'll do good. And I think they lowballed the next earnings or the guidance. So he can, show up and blow it out of the water. So we will see. But I would love to add some shares while it's down in the 150 range. I think it has strong support here, in the low 150s. So it's going to be hard to get it below that. I actually found out about this stock from one of the few YouTubers that I watch. I think his name is Mr. Fired Up Wealth, but I definitely recommend you guys go watch his videos. They are really good. Next up. Now, this one is a risky one, and I think it's a little too risky for me. However, I do think it's at a attractive buying spot. It's under my small cap / speculative. So go to Unity Software right here. Now, Unity Software, I think, is a has huge potential in the metaverse and very long term. If you hold this 5 years, I think this has a lot of potential in the gaming and the overall digital world as a whole. So I think around $25, $26 a share is a good entry point. If you look here, it'll go up to 40 and then drop back down to 25, and then back up to 40 again, and then back down to 25. So, it has strong support around these levels. So I think now is a great time to buy, and hopefully next time it goes up, to the $40 range, hopefully it stays there and maybe breaks the trend of, up, down, up, down, up, down. So I think that has huge growth opportunity. But like I said, I would rather put my money in Apple or, any of these other positions in my portfolio, or Snowflake even, than Unity Software, just because of the high risk that it has. So also wanted to talk about some things to watch this week. This week's going to be pretty crazy, I think. Now, Wednesday, we have inflation rate year over year and CPI. So that's going to be a crazy, crazy morning. So I'm expecting a lot of volatility that morning. We had a pretty green day. It's like midnight right now. That's why it's showing overnight. So, but if we go to the 3-month chart here, we had a pretty green day here, which is nice. Up 2.1% the past 3 months. So not bad. I think our biggest losers right now are Apple and Tesla. If I'm not mistaken, I think we're up on everything else. But Apple and Tesla are holding us back right now, but we're not stressed at all. I'm just, like I said, wanting to add to them both. Honestly, I'm just waiting for Tesla to announce earnings and expecting a drop there. So next up, we got Thursday, initial jobless claims. So that's going to have an impact on the market. And just be careful, if you're a day trader or you're in options, because these things can make or break the market for the week. So that's all for today. Just wanted to give a quick my insight on 3 stocks that I think are great buying opportunities now. And I appreciate you guys watching.